So you've got a small following on TikTok or YouTube, and you're wondering, can I actually make money with this? The answer is yes. I started small too, and trust me, you don't need 1 million followers to start earning. Let's break it down. First, forget about waiting for the big ad revenue checks. With a smaller audience, brand deals and sponsorships are your secret weapon. Even micro-influencers get paid, sometimes more per follower than the big stars. Reach out to brands you genuinely like. Pitch them your unique angle. Show them the real engagement you get, even if your numbers are low. Next up, affiliate marketing. You recommend products, drop your special link, and when someone buys, you get a cut. It's that simple. Just be honest about what you use. Your followers will trust you for it. And don't sleep on your own skills. Offer consulting, online workshops, or digital products like presets, templates, or guides. If you're good at something, there's someone out there willing to pay for your knowledge. Finally, build your community. Reply to comments, ask questions, connect. Those real relationships, they drive actual income, not just views. So don't wait for someday or a giant following. Start now, experiment, and watch your online hustle grow. One real connection at a time. You've got this.